Alright guys, so see the pudding here, you know. Them say the proof of the pudding, you know, so see it here, you know.
Yeah.
You see me? Homemade pumpkin juice.
Yes,
you see me?
pumpkin punch.
Yeah, pumpkin punch. Ready now?
Ready?
See that consistency, guys?
Yeah.
Yep.
We like it thick.
Yeah.
When you want content quality, there's one place I gotta be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family.
Hey, what's up, guys? Morning. We're just here chilling. Trying to get Kai to, you know, enjoy his bones a bit and to stay by himself. Because we don't want him turning out and baby.
AJ, what go on? So you walk with your favorite tool? Eh? You can't go a little bit one at a time. Huh?
It's not my favorite tool.
What's your favorite tool? Huh?
I don't know.
You don't know, that means I eat then, clearly. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video, alright? Welcome back to the Delpratt family. We're there today, you get me, I say. My mom actually would be... what's them two there?
You know one time Harry box me.
Hey! What time you box you?
I'm crabbing in my eye.
Yeah, what are they? Hey guys, so as I was saying, we're there again, guys. Alright, today my mom will be making our special pumpkin punch. You get me, I say? Yeah, man. So she have our pumpkin.
Yeah.
You see me?
Peel. I got finish peel. I start peel them already. I'm gonna peel it, finish peel them.
Yeah.
You have the water, come, you have to scald it.
You have to boil them. Right.
You know, kind of make them.
Make it look
water-
soft.
Yeah. And now the nutmeg. A pinch of salt. I'm gonna use plenty salt.
Yeah.
Milk, supplement.
And some Spitfire, some
Pennies,
dragon. It's not a Spitfire, it's a regular dragon.
Dragon.
Vanilla.
I'm gonna use, yeah. So
Alright.
these are the ingredients I'm gonna use. Right? I'm gonna boil it. So
Alright.
when we finish, this now I'm come back and show them
Okay.
when I reach.
Okay.
Alright?
By the way, guys, you hear the music? A Kyrie bouncer. Hey. Hey.
He's very
It's
sleepy.
cooler now.
Yeah, I'm very sleepy. I never sleep last night. So, you know, I'm trying to get his rest in.
So, mommy, I don't understand. Our more grand pick me I want?
Oh, you know.
Eh? Every
Then
do it
people
what?
call me a drink. Look, I see it.
No, I must grand pick
I know
me.
you,
I must
me.
more grand pick me you want.
No, that's a more pick than me you want.
More pick me you want,
Yeah,
but then me I make it for.
No.
Eh?
No, everybody. I'll Jaden.
I'll do it then.
Yeah.
Oh. So it's a kias? So it's a kias? Is there one more? You ready?
Let us have and enjoy this one for a while, alright? We can't even sleep at night. Much less, can you imagine?
Jeez.
Can't even sleep at night.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, so mommy in the kitchen and things. So she, yeah, what are vegetable that I make for dinner?
Oh yeah, we'll prepare that.
Okay.
This is the pumpkin for the punch. I'm gonna make it boil for about a couple minutes. Not plenty. Just a couple minutes.
Yeah.
You know?
Guys, I'm not lie, I tried pumpkin punch one time before and I not think say boy something can really make juice. You see me? Every time I hear about pumpkin punch before, me even Cass mentioned it one time already, about pumpkin punch, and I say, I don't want that for drink.
That's nice, something man.
But one day my mother make it. And me I say, in fact when me a youth, my mother never make no pumpkin punch when me a youth. No, she don't make none. So I recently she did make some and me I tell her, say, guys, the thing shot. On the need for try it. You understand? So She have her recipe where she gonna do now. So you can see what she do, her procedure and them something there. You guys gonna have to try it.
Yeah, I'm kind of miserable. I'm gonna say him never sleep last night, so he's miserable and trying to get him sleep today. He's not very interactive. So that's all.
Come Kai.
One thing last night, people.
Yeah.
We're
Man.
We're up with the eye closed, with the eye of the man. He's just not sleeping, but he was griping if something was hurting him, so he was not about to go to sleep with that belly.
Where you headed?
Yeah.
Where you going?
I wanted to go outside.
You want to go outside?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I?
Alright.
Kaya first, guys.
Yeah.
Kaya first. Hush.
Oh, baby.
Hush. Pick him up.
Oh.
Hush.
No, it's crying, honey. No crying.
Then good now.
If you cry,
Hi, baby.
it's going to
So, what a baker you are, Cass? Mommy?
hurt.
Oh, you just do one thing.
Make one thing and put everything in the whole.
Oh.
This that.
So the pumpkin here, guys. Pumpkin a boil. Alright, so it finished boil now. To your liking.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you see the water here? I'm gonna use the same water here and just throw it in the blender.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
I can make it cool, but I don't have the time.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna make it cool. I'm gonna blend it the same way.
Nice. Right.
I'm not gonna use all of the water because I don't want it too water. Water down, so I'm not gonna use all of the water.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you blend some and then now you're gonna continue blend out the rest now. So you can strain off that now.
Yeah.
You want a strainer? Wait there. Okay. Alright. Alright.
See, them never want to waste the water, you know.
So you see, you need it.
Wait. Let's see what I go on as the first. The thickness one, the consistency, I want it water.
Yeah.
You understand? So I have to make sure it's have the right amount of thickness.
So the pumpkin blend up here, guys.
Okay. So you blend up. Teenage dragon.
Show them.
The dragon.
The milk here, if anything, can.
Condensed milk. And boy, the condensed milk is just not like it was in the past. I remember as a child, it thick.
Water, everything water.
No, it's just so liquidy. Supplegen. Boost you up. So the next step.
After I put in the supplement, vanilla. I don't measure nothing, just put what I know.
You just throw in some vanilla.
Eyeball it.
I said Jamaicans cook more than people.
Yeah.
And must eyeball it.
Measurement.
Wait, what's that you adding now?
Nutmeg.
Nutmeg.
I'm sure them done in there.
I love nutmeg, you know, people.
Yeah.
We love when nutmeg as a spice.
But
It's
when
really
it come on
nice.
to the salt now, when it come on to the salt, you don't want too much salt.
Yeah,
So you have to kind of, measure. That's what I look at.
I like it too.
Yeah. So, the mix. And mix it now. You gotta still taste it and see if it's at the right way, how you want it, at the right taste. Yeah.
But it smells nice though, you know, guys. So you probably think say no smell, it have a nice aroma going to it.
And you smell the nutmeg, you smell the supplicant, you smell the vanilla. And when it get colder, you put it in the fridge and it cool down, you get the thick and the richness.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get thick and nice, right?
Yeah.
So taste time, guys.
Hey, go on taste.
How is it?
Let me taste it. Let me taste it.
Want more,
Oh.
just want something else.
What?
Just want milk.
It a come still.
Yeah.
It a come. You can taste the dragon, you know? Proper one, so far. Can smell the nutmeg.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get some milk, more milk.
Alright.
Yeah.
And what did I say? As I was saying, guys, them condensed milk, yeah, not like the past. Yeah.
So you have to just mix it until you get the taste. Oh, you know them way there?
Yeah.
You want. You know you want the taste that you want.
It's supposed to have a rich, creamy taste, right? Rich, creamy, and milky. Yep. So the Sunday evening week, you know, from childhood days, you know. When they eat your Sunday dinner and drink a glass of this, you know, say you're very full. Alright, so here we go, guys.
Maybe you not get that taste then no. You know, taste good?
Yeah, man. It will. There.
Yeah, so that is that. Yeah.
Watch him come back to taste again. Watch him come back to taste again.
Aye. Yeah, man.
It will eat, right?
Turn up.
Yep. That's it. When it's cool now.
And it have to taste better when it's cool. You know when it's chill? Yeah.
Sure.
So guys,
I was waiting for that. Come here.
Everybody's saying it tastes nice.
Of course, you need to taste it too. How is it? But how is it?
It tastes nice.
It tastes nice. But pumpkin juice are going with me. We're gonna have my breakfast. Callaloo. And bread.
So guys, if you want the recipe, this is the recipe. I have the dragon salt, vanilla, a pinch of salt, condensed milk, and then supplicant.
And
Supplicant. And you mix the taste. Yeah, your nutmeg.
Guys, a proper thing, man. Proper thing. You don't have to try it.
Yep.
You know? So, them are gonna bake chicken and bake cake. So, stay tuned for all of that, guys.
Yep.
Yeah, man, just stay tuned.
Sunday day, a full belly day, right?
Yeah, man. Wow.
You put it in the fridge now, yeah. You know, you will get this. Come thicker.
Oh yeah, eat. You just eat breakfast?
Yeah, callaloo and bread sandwich.
Alright, I'm gonna put it up, put this now, make it chill.
Alright guys, so see the pudding here, you know. Them say the proof of the pudding, you know, so see it here, you know.
Yeah.
You see me? Homemade pumpkin juice
Yes,
You
our
see me?
pumpkin punch.
Yeah, pumpkin punch. That's what I
Yeah.
want to call it. So I eat this guy. So
Yep.
we're gonna test it out. You see me? You ready?
Yeah, I will.
Kai, what's the matter? Kai? Yes, Kai just get out of the post a while ago. Yeah, so
Yeah.
alright. Ready now.
Ready?
See that consistency, guys?
Yeah.
Yep.
We like it thick.
Yeah. Nice. Proper, you know? Proper, man. Alright.
Yep.
Alright.
And it smells great.
Alright. Alright, see it there?
Yep.
You ready?
Yep.
I look like say you're enough for that mine. Guys, you know that's what I go on. Look there. This no fear, you know? No, throw back some in a mine. This no fear. Alright, give me that one here. Give me that.
No. Mommy breastfeed.
No man, more. Me not want, no.
So
No,
you're trying
no,
to build up sperm count?
You ready? Anytime you're ready, you know. Anytime you're ready.
Really?
Just say the word. Alright, look on it now. I'm gonna clover now. Alright, ready?
Guys.
Ready. Proper man. Guys, you know have to make some of this, you know, at home, you know. Just follow the recipe.
It's good.
It proper. Proper.
It's good. Try it, guys.
And guys, if you like the video, just give us a thumbs up. Alright? Give us a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe.
Yup.
And share this video with somebody that you know can benefit from this. Cause the recipe are nice. You get me, I say? Send it to your lady. Gentlemen, send it to the lady, make she make it for you. You see me, I say? Lady, send it to the man. Tell him one, say this no want. You see me, I say?
Make it for him. Alright, gentlemen. Let's get it done, right?
It proper, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, so peace out. Alright?
Oh, remember those post notification, guys. Turn it on and put the setting on, alright? Bye, guys.
Yep.